Welcome to another exciting episode of Riding the West. Your host this week will be Mike Anderson. We will be riding in eastern Montana. Mike is now busy changing the plug on his XT, and soon we will be off and riding. Looks all right?
Oh, he's got a little burn.
No, the one guy wrecked and the other guy got stuck right next to him. Yeah!
Man, it's got too much power.
Check it out. You got more power than it used to?
Yes. Okay, there you go.
Think you ride motorcycles all your life?
I hope.
Think so?
Yeah.
Harley someday? Hey,
Probably.
watch Tim go over this jump. Dude, he almost ate it. Yeah.
I didn't see that much, but I saw him do the jump.
He was crossed up. No? Hey, Tim, next time you come over there on that jump, when you catch him over there, try a no-footer.
All right. I will. I'm like Superman almost. Next time, do the put on my head the thick part. Next time, try the thick part. Yeah, it doesn't sound very good on my socks. When I'm riding.
Yeah!
Man, it's got too much power. Okay, nice.
Oh, my finger's messed up, dude. I whacked it open a good one. I think I'm done riding for the day. What do you think?
Yeah.
How's it look?
Cut.
You like it?
Yeah.
Give it a kiss for your uncle.
No, thank you.
Oh, dude. It hurts. It's a dangerous sport. Huh?
Yeah?
Wanna try this hill climb?
No.
Dude, way to go.
See me? I hit this tree down.
He filmed you. Pick her up, she's leaking gas.
Yep.
Take it back on down. You're getting pretty good, man. X Games in 2004. Super Tim.
That would help. Thanks, man. No problem. All right.
Okay, one more try at this hill climb, then we're going home.
Okay. Freakishly big.
All right, dudes. I'm done. We're out of here.
All right. Let's go.
Let's cruise on.
Pack up.
Pack up. Peel out.
Try to get out of that swamp.
Did you have a hard time?
Yeah, I got stuck.
Did you? I was getting ready to go back for you. Was it hard?
So buried.
Huh?
The tire got so buried.
Covered with mud. It's fun, huh?
Yeah. I did.
all right?
Yeah. Oh,
Man,
a little bumpy.
dude, I filmed you wreck.
Oh.
Jim eats the dust.
Oh,
Nice one, Randy, all right? Huh?
in my ribs.
Your ribs again?
See,